Hey everyone, stepping back out on this rainy night and there he is. See, he's moved. He was like in this direction. Now he's between the clothesline right there. So what's that mean? That could mean we're dealing with some eye shine. I see ya. I'm zooming all the way in. There he is. I'm gonna shine my light here. Get an energy wave happening. If you'll do it for me, shoot me an energy wave. Well, I'm talking now. It goes away. Oh, what's that? Right there. Look at that. There you are. Energy wave, please. Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. He's not responding with the energy waves. And he's not illuminating for very long. I don't understand why. Might be, there he is. So, my orb is still here. He's bouncing around on top of the hill. He looks to be about 30 yards in a different position from where he was last night. So, that is an update. And we'll talk to you later. I'm not going to stand out here in the rain, so I'll talk to you guys later.